Guys, let's take a quick look at Bitcoin Cash here. Now keep in mind I don't have any Bitcoin Cash myself. I don't have anything against it, as I've said in the previous video on it. I know that it's supposedly the original Bitcoin and it had a hard fork. And anyways, I don't think it's a bad project, but it's just not something that's as good as Bitcoin. But, you know, it is something you can make money on. But let's just get into the details, the technical details here. Right now you can see it's gotten a bounce off the $357 support here basically. And since then, it's been bouncing upwards. Now there is a weekly resistance up here at about $420 that it's going to have to push through. And then it's got to get through the top of this Fibonacci. So basically, Bitcoin Cash has dipped down into the reaccumulation zone and it's trying to get back out. Now there's going to be a zone here between about $457 up to about $470, let's say. That's going to be kind of a hard zone to crack, and then you've got up here at about $496. And keep in mind, this $400 mark and this $500 mark are both psychological numbers. So right now, it has just broken through that $400 mark. Let's see if it can hold that. That would be a good thing if it can hold $400 today. But anyways, let's take a quick look at Bitcoin. Now, Bitcoin has gotten a bounce just in the last, few minutes, basically, off of this weekly support, basically sitting at 61.3. I don't expect this to break this today. Honestly, myself. Now it could, because we do have a few more numbers coming out. Now, if you see this, apparently the Dallas Fed numbers came out a little while ago, but they're not showing up here. We do have Chicago PMI coming out, and we do have some more Michigan numbers. Now, these are not such big numbers. Let me see if I can refresh this too, and if the Dallas numbers will pop up. But these aren't so big economic numbers. Now, what we had earlier today was basically in line. As you can see here, the core PCE in line, core, month over month in line. You have the year over year, the price index in line, month over month here, the price index in line. So personal income, a little bit higher, personal spending, a little bit lower. So basically it balanced out. Let's see what, these few numbers here might bring. Maybe it'll bring a little bit more volatility to the market. But right now, Bitcoin basically is just going sideways. And I know this is the 15-minute chart, but if I put this on the daily chart, we've just been going sideways for pretty much the past few days. And basically, we are trending up, though. That's a good thing. As you can see, these are getting a little bit higher each time. But we do need to break these next resistances here at 62.4, 63.1, and 63.8, basically. Those are all daily resistances, so they're a little bit stronger than, for example, like a 4-hour resistance, which are these blue lines. But we are being held up right now by this weekly support at 61.3, basically. And anyways, guys, that's all I got for you today on Bitcoin Cash and Bitcoin itself. We'll see what the economic numbers still bring today in the next 45 minutes or so. May get a little bit of volatility, but I don't expect too much more. Anyways, if you like this video, like, subscribe, activate the bell, and I'll see you guys in the next one.